Hi guys, welcome to this video. We are off to Barleylands for the long weekend. It's their county show, spread over the Sunday and the bank holiday Monday, and we're going to have a couple of days at the campsite just to give Rory a run out, make sure everything's all right after the camp bell and various other mods that have been done to it over the coming last months, just to get us ready for when we go to France really. So I'm just going to go and get hold of her, and then we shall load up and we'll see you at Barleylands. Welcome to Barleylands Country Show 2023. And it's really windy. Now, on first impressions, there's not a hell of a lot here, so I'm going to just give you a whirlwind tour of it because it doesn't look all that to me. We've got a monster truck doing rides. I thought the advert said that there were monster trucks and they might be competing against each other, but clearly not. There's a number of little side stalls and stuff like that you expect. Some of them are just, you know, there's one with metal tins that you've got soft balls to throw at. You've got no hope of getting them down. We found 7 cars, including the Merc and the Bug. I think that's an Anglia, but I'm not quite sure. And a couple of American cars. Pretty poor show, really. Not impressed, but this one was in good shape under the bonnet and looks like it's been well loved. So fair play to the owner if it belongs to you. But not my cup of tea. The motorcycle display, somewhat disappointing as well. It was half a dozen kids and some older people running around doing circles and the odd wheelie and waving at the crowd, and then they went back into their little enclosure. Super. Mr. Bean's car. Hi, madam. Zoe likes that. The usual crafty stalls. This looked lovely, but got to watch the sugar these days, you know how it is. Oh, lovely. Absolutely lovely. But still, so dear. I tried to find a few bits for the camper van, but there was nothing really there. Yeah, it's windy. It was very windy. That was a couple of the bikes. Oh yeah.
Oh, Daddy, your hair.
My hair's like, oh my word, really? And this is my Zoe showing off her gymnastic prowess. She's very good at all this sort of stuff. Well done, girl. And this is just an overview of everything that was here. There was even a firm making coffins to order. And that's about it. Very disappointing. Zoe's audition for a scarecrow. She's been like this since she was little. Every time she sees a load of birds minding their own business, she's got to chase them round the field. Where's Rory? Oh, I can't believe we've walked this twice today. And now on to the campsite, my favourite bit. And this is Barleylands camping and caravan site. Now the facilities all seem quite good. There's an Elson for your toilet waste. There's a couple of shower blocks, they don't look too bad. Water points, and of course we're on a mains electric hookup as well. But overall, got to say, quite nice indeed. Well worth it. Time for a bit of R&R. Now this is my first time at a vlog. Okay, we're going to do poo sticks.
Ready? First one under the bridge.
Can't see yours. Where's yours? There it is.
3, 2, 1.
Let's go. How can you see it? It's never going to come through there. 1 hour later.
hate to tell her, but the water runs out before it gets here. Big blockage.
And here's Rory in all his splendour. How did you get there before me? Is that right?
Yes.
Well done.
I want my seats.
Here we are.
This is Aqua. It's a credit card, but it's also so much more. You get a team of experts on your side.
This is our first time at Barleylands campsite, but in first impressions, it looks really good. Nice and tidy. I guess some time for fun and games is ahead somewhat. Okay. I'm a bit wobbly.
You drunk?
I don't know. I might as well be, because you're so heavy.
How many ciders have you had?
None, because I've been drinking lager.
Pass
Right.
me the football, would you?
Pass the football.
Yeah.
I can't even pass my way to sit down here. You're just too heavy for my head.
Try and throw it down into that.
I think it's Barbie time. Ooh. That's more like it. It's a lovely hill. Ah! I couldn't put the awning out too far because it was quite blowy from time to time. I also thought it was a great opportunity to try out the airbed as
I
well.
wonder what it's going to be like without the mat. Go. That was a roly-poly! Again! Come on, one more time. Straight legs. Straight legs. Don't bend them.
Oh, that.
I can't imagine what it's like without it.
Zoe on a bit of Minecraft, fitted a big clock in the dash, and I got my table out as well. Lovely. Following morning, bit of bacon and eggs, but without the eggs because I used them up the day before. And we managed to get the bikes out for half an hour. Excellent. What is that? Green. So today we thought we'd try out the Crazy Golf, and it's actually really good. And I'll let you work out who won the game. You can leave it in the comments if you like. Nice.
We're about to drop this.
Nice.
Right, you out first. You're out first. You're out first.
Hello. You've docked. I don't know, what are we up to?
I think.
13. Zoe. Now this looks interesting.
It's glow in the dark. Look, the pictures. Whoa. Look, I'm white, so look. Two. It goes down. Dad, you're going to go first on this one. 4, 4, 4. I got 4.
Right. You go first then.
Yeah, I got 4.
Nice.
5. Sorry, okay, Daddy going for the shot.
Ready?
Yeah. Okay, that's 5. That's 6. He's got to beat 5, by the way. 7.
Yeah.
Well done.
Right, leave him now.
Okay, that's cool.
And that's about it for our 3-day excursion to Barleylands, Billericay. Had a great time. Campsite was great. Golf was great. Facilities were great. Show was rubbish. So if you like what you see, give us a like or a subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'm going to say goodbye, and I think it's time that Zoe, you said the same thing.
Bye!
Oh yeah.
Oh, Daddy, your hair.
My hair's like all. Look. Oh.